There was tragedy in the Christian world that happened Wednesday, September 10, when a young, bold, brave, and strong Christian, Charlie Kirk, whose young life of 31 was cut short. Now, Charlie Kirk, as you all know already, was the founder of Turning Point USA when he was killed. Today, let us remember his Christian voice. In this short tribute, let us remember his passionate Christian voice, his legacy among young believers in the Lord Jesus Christ, and his call to return to biblical values. As Christians, we grieve his loss, but stand strong in our faith.